Yung Arvin, after nung 4-1 start, sunod-sunod na to. Ngayon, ano nangyayari lang?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. But I think medyo mabibigat din yung yung naging schedule namin, sunod-sunod na big teams eh. Although mahirap din naman isisi sa ganun, hindi naman kasalanan ng schedule. I think medyo naunahan kami nung panalo eh. Kumbaga medyo nag-relax, medyo tumaas yung kumpiyansa. Okay, pero medyo over. And then, 4 straight losses na sunod-sunod against these teams. But I think it's we look on the positive side naman ito. It's a great experience for us, especially for a young team like us, for my teammates. Hindi ko ma-pinpoint kung ano yung naging na. But yeah, I'll just look on the positive side of that. This stretch. It was a great experience for us. 4 na sunod na panalo. And then 4 na sunod na talo. We went back to earth na down to earth again. Yeah, we still have we still have chance. These last 2 games, for sure we're gonna give our best to win and makapasok sa playoffs. Especially now, bigit-bigit yun.
Paano yung mood sa locker room, brother? Like, on the same page sa Malata? Kunin natin yung last 2 natin.
Yeah, yun yung naging main focus namin after the game. Kasi, as much as we wanna talk about what happened in this game, we just gotta move on. We have a game on Wednesday, and tapos na to. Yeah, we made a lot of mistakes, but yung next 2 games namin is important now. Yes, yun yung importante. And the mood is, syempre, galing sa talo. 4 straight losses na. We're a young team, medyo inexperienced talaga. So, the coaches talk to the guys na we have to move on. It happens. And we focus on the next 2 games, especially sa 2 days na lang, lalaro na ulit kami. And then another one on Saturday. Yeah, we shifted the focus on that one.
Good. Thanks,
Thanks, Arvin. Thank you, brother.